Okay, 1 second. So this number, pages are 8 and 9. Spinning Daydreams from Piano Solo, Book 4. This is aria. I am Elsa Ritter, piano teacher. She's gonna play through with the pedal, and if some corrections need to be done, I'll correct. Do your best, aria. Play with the pedal. You play for me, please, aria. This last 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. This F. Okay, now try follow the pedal. You made like some wrong moves, like you had a pedal here, you let go pedal here, so it's clearly down, hold pedal, change, 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 up, right? No pedal, pedal to the end, up to here. So everything is indicated. Just look more carefully, coordinate. So when you have a down pedal, try to make like after you play, you little bit like have a gap, teeny tiny. There was something was capturing the previous sound. Okay, do one more time, and also can you pay attention to fingerings? There's four, and you keep playing like what different fingerings. the pedal for this bar, isn't it? You should replay the last bar. Different sound, isn't it? Okay, one more time. Last 4 bars. Focus on everything. Fingerings, rests, ritardanda, pedal. Go. Notes. Think forward. Look forward. Right? Notes need to be in your mind first before you make these moves with your fingers. Aria, there's E. Please, G, E. Yep. Did you hear how it was different when you had the pedal a little bit earlier versus a little bit later, right? It was clear when a little bit later. Okay. Play again from the beginning. So let me. What else would you like to improve? Like now you're using pedal. What else? I think what you need to focus on this smooth expression of this beautiful melody. Smooth and flowing. See, it's already set for you. So gradually slower to the end. And also if you see piano, pianissimo, and really like fading off, right? Also there's lots of like echoing phrases, don't you think? You have little changes, for example. Almost the same, right? But even if you see the dynamic sign, it's indicated for you. To give you some hint, play like echo. And there was a couple more somewhere. No dynamics, but just asking, play differently. Harmonies change. Okay, try one more time. Just a couple bars in the beginning and we'll finish. So how do you hear, how do you imagine the melody? Where's the melody? Can you show me the notes for the melody? Only?
These. And
Only?
Then, no, the all
Yeah,
them.
exactly. It starts in the left hand. So build up this legato. Mhm. And the finish. You'll see the last note of the phrase, it's very like unclear because you're busy with the left hand. Your attention goes to here. Right? Mhm. Okay. And also try feel the bottom of the key. If you don't have this touch going through the key and reaching the keypad, you don't have a control. You don't have a control over this certain tone. You wanna play this bar without pedal.
Play the bar without pedal.
Without pedal. So you see the beginning of the what is the sound? It's very like nothing. Make it. Do you hear yourself how it sounds like? It just doesn't give any nice tone. It just kind of almost like just noise. Do you hear the difference? Why? Because you're reaching the certain point. You're reaching the keypad. No, don't press. Don't press. Use the weight. Use the weight to find this bottom. Good. So each note is gonna be with vibrating tone. If you let your hand freely, loosely feel the bottom of the key, and meanwhile you are the one who is decide how strong, how soft. See, if you have this tension and you just pressing, you have this accidentally made sound. Okay, so work on this first. Very loose fingers, very loose arms, so you can use the weight. You can use the weight coming from the whole your arm, right? And it gives you opportunity to manage the certain weight throughout each finger, because not just arm has this arm weight, but each finger, and it's so important. I mean, like, you can make this beautiful tone if you have this, coordination, if you have the control of this, the weight of each finger. So the secret, the goal is play with loose hands, loose arms. Okay, this was Aria, my student, who is so patient with Miss Elsa. Let her record and tell her probably the same thing over and over. But she's moving, she's learning. Bye.